Imagine you can earn up to $400 per day by simply typing names online. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, here is exactly how it works. Now, when you type one word or one name, you make money. This is such an incredible opportunity, and here is exactly how much money you can make. When you type one page of names, you can earn $15. Five pages and you earn $75. And when you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. And the best thing is that there is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and you can earn as much money as you want. You can either do it on your mobile phone or from your PC, and this opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. So make sure that you watch until the end so that you don't miss out the sign up process because it's actually very tricky and most people do it wrongly. But before we start, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money, you will be updated and you now let's get back to the video. You can see here that whenever we use the calculator of this website, we can estimate how much money new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can earn a day that you type, in this case 5 cents in a US dollar. Now usually one page will have around 300 words. For example, this type name project right here, this is actually page number 1, and right here this is page number 2, and also so on, and each of these pages you can get paid by simply typing names. Now let me show you this where you can actually get paid. $15 and the total word count is 300. When I scroll down, you can see here the total 300 names, meaning in 300 you can earn $15 per page by simply typing names on this website. This is actually a very good earning opportunity. Take a look at this $15 per page, and we can even receive up to $20 pages a day, which means you can easily earn up to $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. First of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing a dime. And this opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment or you don't need any money to get started. When you scroll down below, you can actually see that there are different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading job, freelancing, blogging, language translation, and online page survey. There are many different jobs that you can do, but the right on this video, we are going to focus on one of the simplest things you can do on this website, and it requires no experience, no tech skills at all. You can see here the online tapping job. Now take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. It's actually a very good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. Now, for the joining fees, you can see here that the registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cards before or after joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. This is absolutely free and a worldwide opportunity. Now, right over here, you can see depending upon what levels you are, you get paid different amounts of red ranging from beginners all the up way to the experts. Now in just a moment, I will be giving you a special bonus tip. You can help you to earn a higher rate, and you can see here that even if you are a complete beginner, you can actually get paid on an expert level, and I will show you the strategy in just a movement, and no other person will know about this. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So right now I will show you the first bonus tip that you can earn a higher rate by simply typing names online. I want you to go to retatype.com. Basically, this is the homepage of this website where you take our free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you are gonna come over to this page where you can actually start typing using your phone or your computer. The reason why I want you to do this speeding test is because this website will offer you a certificate. Now you are going to get this certificate absolutely free. And I will show you all the steps in this video on how to get it. The reason why you need a typing certificate is because it will boost your income and your earning rates per page. If you want to make $15 for every single page that you type, make sure that you get this certificate, and this is the ultimate secret because even you are completely new, but you have the certificate to prove them that you can type. You will be accepted much quicker and you can get more higher paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. And with that being said, that's going to allow you to get paid $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names. So once again, it's a very important for you to keep watching to see exactly how to get this certificate and how to complete your application talentdesire.com. Now, as you can see, when you start typing on this website, they will start calculating how many words you can type per minute and also accuracy, whether or not you type any spelling mistake or any typing mistakes. You can see here your accuracy should be between 98% up to 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you are going to make by doing a typing test and taking a certificate on this website. You can show them that your typing speed and accuracy is higher, and that's going to give you a higher payout rate. Let me show you a real life example of doing this set and right now, and how to get your certificate for absolutely free in less than 5 minutes. As you can see here, once I finish typing, they are going to show me my typing speed right here. This is my actual result. So if your speed is slower or if your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry about that because you can actually go back to the website writertype.com and you can actually take the typing test again for 100% free until you get a higher speed or higher accuracy. Now, once you get the result that you are certified with, you can actually scroll down below and you can sign up for a new account on our Reddit by clicking on this link right here. You can create a free account by putting your name on email address and your password. So go ahead and click on this I agree to these terms and conditions and click on this yellow button and sign up. You can see here I put my name, my email address, my password, then I click on the right button and sign up for a free account. Here I will log into my Reddit type account. Now you can see my name right here on my dashboard, and these are my results, my typing speed and all my accuracy. Now when you scroll down below, you can see that this is my certificate. Just click on the certificate and I will come over to this page. It will award it to it will award it to me for typing in English, and they will even show you the signature from greatertype.com to verify that the certificate is real. The certificate right here is actually very good for you and you can get paid a much higher rate. I want you to keep watching because I will show you how to sign up and how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, and you can start receiving a typing drop in project just like this one right here. Now When you scroll down below, you can actually click on this print button right here, and you don't need worry. This is on your computer, or you can do this on your mobile phone as well. As you do have to save the image of your certificate, or just save it in a PDF form. The save button, and as you can see here, this is my actual certificate that I got from prototype website, absolutely free. And once you get the certificate, you can begin to apply for this job. So we are gonna come over to talentdesign.com, and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and I want you to click on the red button right here, while which says apply now, and then you come over to this page when you can start applying for your job. But please pay very close attention, watch this video until the end, because the registration page here is actually very hidden on the website. You might get lost or fail to find registration page if you don't watch this part. Now once you land on this page, just scroll down below and you can see here, select an application, click on this red link right here, and after you are gonna come over this page, you from home, and right here which says fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you cannot find the registration page, make sure you rewatch the video, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch this video later on when you are free. Just scroll down below, and this page you can see you are going to fill in your information. The first thing that you have to do is to click on accept the privacy policy, and then put your name and last name and your email address, your contact number, and also your country. Then click on this down arrow, and you can see that they are accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, Kingdom, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and other countries. Now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from, so I can create more videos for your region in my future videos. Moving on to the next step, this is basically all about your professional information, and it is a very important section. Most people do it wrongly on this step. Now I want you to type in the job title section, and it is very important to type the job title just like the one, and then choose what time is best for you. Next, click on this down arrow right here, and you can actually select whatever time that you can and that you want. But I want you to choose on all day, and that's going to give you more opportunities and more jobs, meaning that you can earn more money online. Then choose the best way to receive your money. And I will choose Pioneer because it is best for me. But you can choose Pioneer on direct deposit, wire transfer, and many other options. Scroll down below, you can choose your current professional status. In this case, I just choose self-employed, and once you fill out the details, you then proceed and click yes. I have read and accept the above statement, and you don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and click on I am not a robot. After that, just click on the submit button, as simple as that. Once you are accepted, you can begin receiving the typing job just like this. As you can see here, in one page, you can earn up to $15 each. And then for the second page, you can earn another $15. In the last, I will say thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video.